training, where we have a range of HPLCs, so Agilents, laid out so that students can use them, and also interact with each of the components, being able to cover different aspects of the system, look at how it's used, but also pick out different components, place them as desired in the system, and also look at further information on the system itself as well. So again, the various different information about it, covering all the components that are in the system. Again, the ability to take the bottles and use them as desired, as well as the sample racks for the HPLC system itself as well. And again, can be laid out with the samples depending on how you want to place it within the system itself. Again, sample vials also, depends on how you want to use them, but can be placed as desired as per the columns, but again, exactly as you want to use it or how you think it would be used as normal. Again, same with the bottles, they can be manipulated